When you think of oligarchs, oligarchs are people who use the state to enrich themselves. When I think of oligarchy, Kenya Kwanza administration is an oligarchy. And to the people from the United States who are telling us it is wrong to go for demonstration, I'm addressing directly the ambassador of the United States of America. If America preached the kind of messages they are preaching to us today, because America was founded on rebellion. The American people went to war. That is how they got their freedom. So, Madam Ambassador, you cannot risk American business to the expense of the freedom of the people of Kenya. If you are a friend of the Kenyan people. Omeana tieko kawacho. Awachi. Awachi. Higani. Higani. Kawa yere ne ongeringo. Yadimo yene ongeringo, 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 ongeringo. To kaka neno kaka pinyo yegi baba. Pinyo yegi baba. Nyaka Mount Kenya nigi baba. Higani. 2023. This is the year for freedom, the third liberation of the Kenyan people.